Want to upgrade your barbecue side game? Let's whip up a classic Hawaiian Mac Salad. Hawaiian Mac Salad is comfort food at its finest, creamy, tangy, and just a little bit sweet. Here's how you can make it at home, step by step. First, boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Cook it just a bit past al dente, so it soaks up all that dressing. Drain and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Now in a big bowl, mix together 2 cups of good mayo. Yes, real mayo is key, along with a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of sugar. Whisk it all up. Next, add in a finely shredded carrot and a few tablespoons of grated onion for that signature flavor. Toss in your macaroni while it's still a little warm. It helps absorb all the creamy goodness. Give it a good stir, season with salt and pepper taste, and adjust as you like. For extra island vibes, chill it for at least an hour before serving. That's it, creamy, tangy, and perfect with grilled meats or as a solo snack. Bring a little aloha to your next meal, your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. Mahalo for watching.